Meaning of first aider.
First aider.
First aider.
First aider.
First aider. A first aider is a person who is trained and knowledgeable in basic first aid techniques, such as CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, wound care, and handling emergency situations. They are often the first to arrive at the scene of an accident or medical emergency and provide immediate assistance to the injured or ill person before professional medical help arrives. Being a first aider requires quick thinking, calmness under pressure, and the ability to make sound decisions in critical situations. Their actions can mean the difference between life and death for someone in need.